Hey, this is Joy from Dayside TV, and right now I'm going to meet Rain from the movie Ninja Assassin at this art bookstore called Giant Robot. A lot of Asian people in this line. I would think that there would be like a bunch of Naruto fans here because it's about ninjas, but nah. Rain actually just stepped inside Giant Robot. All the girls are like screaming. So what do you know about Rain?
Well, I know that he's a Korean pop star and he's a good dancer, and he's starting a lot of Korean dramas. He's been trying to make it into the American movie scene for a while.
Like, what Korean dramas did you see him in?
There's Full House, which was I think one of his more famous ones.
Wait, who do you think is hotter, Stephen Colbert or Rain?
Oh man, well, I haven't seen Stephen Colbert without a shirt on.
Oh.
Are you actually here for Rain? Yeah, man! I'm so excited to meet Rain!
Are you gonna see the movie Ninja Assassin?
Yes!
4-5? Come on in. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Step up, please. Step up, lunch. Come on up.
And that is Rain.
Thank you. Thank you. Close that.
Okay.
Hey.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So I met Rain, and comment on why you think Rain is awesome, and if you think the Ninja Assassin movie is gonna be really, really cool. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
I'm gonna ask you one time really nicely.
Do me a favor, bro. I need you to step back. Really.